welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Everlasting Comfort's luxury throw blanket, and it's nice, fuzzy, and red. So excited. It comes in all sorts of different colors, of course, but I love how it's packaged, just like a little present. Super nice. But front and back, I mean, it's so soft, so like you can feel that there's actually like two layers to it, so it's kind of like, and then it's joined together by the stitching. My arm's length and reach, and it's stretchy too a little bit, but definitely really great for, you know, on the couch, outside, anything like that. Oh yeah, definitely gonna be using this every single day. Let's look at the washing instructions. Machine wash, cold, gentle, dry, tumble dry, no heat. And it's 100% polyester and 50 by 65. Let me know what you think about this throw blanket, and if you would like to purchase it, check out the links below. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!